The battle doesn't start at 9 a.m. It starts the second you open your eyes. And most men lose the war before they ever leave the bed. Because the moment your alarm rings, you're not just choosing to wake up, you're choosing who you're becoming. This is Deionos, where timeless philosophy becomes a weapon in modern war. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support my work and your journey of self-mastery. Let's begin. You're looking for a spark, that video, that quote, that one thing to get you moving. But here's the truth. You don't need more motivation. You need more standards. Motivation dies in the face of comfort, but discipline, that survives. You will never always be motivated. You must become disciplined. The first 10 minutes of your day are not neutral. They're either building your momentum or leaking your identity. Most men wake up reactive to noise, to messages, to other people's timelines. And then they wonder why their life feels like a rerun of last week. But the ones who win, they get up before the world starts talking. They claim silence. They move in stillness. They begin on their own terms. Every morning, you face two versions of yourself, the one who hits snooze and the one who shows up. One of them gets stronger, one of them dies, and no one will see the choice but you. Mike Murdoch said, "The secret of your future is hidden in your daily routine." The most important part of your day is the hour no one claps for. No dopamine, no applause, just repetition. The men who rise aren't the loudest, they're the most aligned. 1 hour, phone off, body trained, mind cleared, word kept. That's not just routine, that's identity formation. Abraham Lincoln said, "Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most." You don't rise by accident, you rise by architecture. Every rep is a brick. Every meal is a vote. Every word you speak is either building your character or selling it off for comfort. The future isn't out there. It's already forming in what you do before 8 a.m. Here are 5 bricks you must lay every morning. 1. Get up on the first alarm. If you hesitate, you've already lost the day. 2. Journal one truth. Not what sounds good, but what's real. 3. Move your body. 20 push-ups, a walk, cold shower, something that demands effort. 4. Revisit your mission. One sentence, one purpose, every day. 5. Read at least one page. Feed the mind with something ancient, true, and hard. Here's the thing about winning. It's invisible. At first, no one sees your effort. No one cares about your early mornings, your unread journal, your sore body. They'll call it extreme. They'll call it obsessive. But eventually, they'll call it undeniable. You have to be willing to live a few years like most people won't, so you can live the rest of your life like most people can't. The world loves new goals, new hacks, new planners. But the men who win, they're boring. They do the same thing every day, with precision and pride. Repetition isn't failure, it's mastery. You want to dominate this week? Here's how. Keep one promise every day. Do one hard thing before breakfast. Track your momentum. Exit off. Reflect at night. Quiet. Real. Forgive yourself fast. Then move. That's it. No perfect system. Just forward motion. Nietzsche wrote, "He who has a why to live can bear almost any how." This is your why. Because you're tired of starting over. Because you're tired of being reactive. Because you've seen what stagnation costs you. And you're done paying that price. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Bruce Lee said, "I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times." Find your kick and practice it 10,000 times until it turns into your weapon. You don't need to conquer the whole year. You just need to win this week, not through hype, not through noise, but through your actions. Stacked, consistent, aligned. And when next Monday comes, you'll know who you are, because you'll remember what you did when no one else was watching. This is Deionos. Subscribe, watch, awaken, because this isn't just about winning the week. It's about becoming the man who never loses himself again.